Welcome back to Money Magnet, your go-to source for all things related to making money online. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of you have been waiting for: lucrative ways to make money online without any extra work. Yes, you heard it right. We're about to reveal 5 fantastic opportunities that can help you increase your income without breaking a sweat. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check the link in the description to get started on your journey to financial success. Let's get started. 1. Affiliate marketing. Our first method, and one of the most popular ways to make money online without extra work, is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Here's how you can get started. Find a niche that you're passionate about. Sign up for affiliate programs related to that niche. Create high-quality content and promote products subtly within your content. Watch your commissions grow as your audience makes purchases through your links. 2. Dropshipping. Number 3 on our list is dropshipping, a method that allows you to sell products online without ever handling inventory. It's a lucrative business model that requires minimal upfront investment. Here's how to start. Choose a niche and set up an online store. Partner with suppliers and list their products in your store. Promote your store and handle customer orders. Suppliers handle product shipment and inventory. 3. Content monetization. If you're into creating content, you can monetize your skills through platforms like YouTube, blogs, or podcasts. This method can bring in passive income as your content continues to attract viewers or readers. To begin your content monetization journey, choose your preferred content platform. Consistently create high-quality content. Build your audience and engage with them. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Remember that success comes with dedication and consistency. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful money-making tips and strategies. For those of you eager to take action, don't forget to check the link in the video description to get started on your journey toward financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.